multiplication, then we may add the powers and the base will be same. Then the final answer will be 2 to the power 7 plus 5 equals to 2 to the power 12. Okay? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No.
No. Okay. Second rule, if a to the power m divided by a to the power n, okay, then we may write a to the power m minus n. For example, if 2 to the power 16, okay, divided by 2 to the power 7, then we write base 2 and we minus the powers, subtract the powers from the first and second. 16, 7. So 16 minus 7. So 2 to the power 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. How much?
9.
9. So the final answer will be 2 to the power 9. If we want the final answer, then we have to multiply 2 up to 9 times. Then we write the answer. But in exponential form, we write in the in the forms of power, because the powers are very high and the values are so lengthy. So we write in the exponential form 2 to the power 9. Okay. If the power is small, then we write the final answer in after multiplying. Okay. Any doubt in the second rule?
No. No.
Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then the third, if a to the power m, okay, into b to the power m, okay, then we write a b to the power m. That is, for example, if 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 6, okay, here the bases are different but the powers are same, then we multiply the base and the power will remain the same. Okay, here bases are different and powers are same, so we multiply the base. 2 into 3 to the power 6. Okay, any doubt?
No. Proper color.
Equals to 2 into 3, how much?
2 3 da katla. 6.
6 to the power 6. The final answer will be 6 to the power 6. Okay,
Okay.
any doubt?
No.
No. uh, the next rule, okay, a to the power minus m means 1 by a to the power m. Okay, for example,
Clear navel.
2 to the power minus 10, okay, 2 to the power minus 10 equals to 1 by 2 to the power 10. Means if the power is negative, then we use the reciprocal. That is a to the power minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power m. That is 2 to the power minus 10 equals to 1 by 2 to the power 10. Okay? Okay? Any doubt?
No.
No. So if we write 3 to the power minus 6, then what will be the answer? 3 to the power minus 6, then what will be the answer? Here 2 to the power minus 10 equals to 1 by 2 to the power 10. Then 3 to the power minus 6 is equal to
It's not clear. The writing is not clear. Not writing. The camera maybe.
Okay. Yeah. Hmm. 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 Yes. Now okay? Okay.
Okay.
3 to the power minus 6 equals to
Uh, 3, 3, 1 by 3. 1 by 3.
1 by 3. 1 by 3. 1 by 3.
Hmm.
1 by 3
6.
to the power 6. 1 by 3 to the power 6. ठीक है? We have to read 1 by 3 to the power 6. 1 by 3 to the power 6. Okay? 1 by 3 to the power 6. We have to read like this. 1 by 3 to the power 6. Okay?
Okay.
Repeat. 1 by 3 to the power 6.
Okay.
Repeat.
1 by 3 to the power of 6.
To the power 6 of is not necessary. And we read it 3 inverse 6. Okay? 3
3.
inverse 6. Okay?
Okay.
3 inverse 6 or 3 to the power minus 6. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. This is the now another question, another rule. If a to the power 0, okay, a to the power 0, the value will be 1. If the base is a and the exponent is 0, then the value becomes 1. Okay? So, what is the value of 2 to the power 0? to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay.
Okay.
तो
Then
फार्मूला है
1000 to the power 0 equals to
सम
1000 to the power 0 equals to
1.
1. Then what will be the value of 123.666 to the power 0 equals to
एक कुछ जो पावर
equals to
करेगा
1.
1. Then we understood that